This short video shows how the Chrome browser can be used to access the material within FR 3131 or 5131 class web pages. The class web pages for both classes are very similar. They have a syllabus page, a Moodle page, and a lab page. Upon the lab page, there is information about each assignment in ArcGIS or in QGIS, and there is data. The data is used in either application, either the data for ArcGIS or QGIS. It's the same data used with just different instructions, different application. To access that information, you left-click on the ArcGIS version of the instructions and you receive that in a PDF. If you desire the QGIS, you left-click and you see the PDF version of the instructions for QGIS. The data in the Google browser, Google Chrome browser, you left-click on the data to download it. You'll see it's downloading. On the left, when it's finished the download, you'll click the drop arrow and show the folder. You could also open that if you wish, or show the folder, and you'll see that that file was downloaded to my download subdirectory. At this point, you're going to want to right-click and extract all, or use a utility like WinZip or 7-Zip, as described in our zip video, to extract it. In this case, I'll extract all, and when I extract all, I'll direct it to my chosen location where I'll use that information. This completes our Chrome browser version. This short video shows how you would use Firefox to access the course material for FNRM 5131 or FNRM 3131. The classes are similar, have similar data structures on their web pages, and share many of the same material. On each of the web pages, there's a syllabus link, a Moodle link, and a lab page link. If you were to click on the lab page link, left click, you would see the instructions under the assignment for each week and the data associated with those instructions. If we were to left click on one of the instructions, you'd see that those instructions are made available to you as a PDF. You can print them or keep them open for your instruction. They're available in QGIS and ArcGIS. The data is used for either version, either Arc or QGIS. The data is accessed also by left-clicking, but here you'll want to open with Windows Explorer, and when you open, it downloads to a temporary directory, and in that temporary directory under the folder, you'll want to right-click and extract all, or use a utility like 7-Zip or WinZip to extract the data that's in that compressed folder. Now, the extraction information and the compression information is referenced in a separate video, which you may want to look at. You need to select a destination and then extract your files to that destination. This ends this video section. This short video shows Internet Explorer accessing the class web page material. Each class, the undergraduate class 3131 or the graduate class 5131, has a very similar structure and similar look. Each page has a link to all the class information, plus links to the syllabus, the Moodle page, and the lab page. On each class, there would be instructions for the weekly labs in the weekly rows under the assignment column. If the student were to left-click on one of the instruction links, they'd be able to see the instructions in PDF form for the ArcGIS version of the instructions or the QGIS version of the instructions. The data is the same for either version and is accessed by left-clicking the zipped file link and saving that and saving it to a place where you can remember where it is. In this case, I'm saving it to the base file. And once that file is saved, and I've got it all downloaded. I can see that it's completing the download, and some of the files are larger than others. Then I would open that folder and I would right click on that and I would extract all, or use one of the utilities, either WinZip or 7-Zip, that you may have installed on your computer. If you've got questions about unzipping files or zipping files to submit, please look at the video for zipping, unzipping. This completes this video.